In statistics, one-third and total test refers to the directional of a hypothesis test. These tests are used to determine if there is enough evidence to reject a null hypothesis based on the data. One-third test. A one-third test tests for the possibility of an effect in one direction only. You use a one-third test when you are interested in testing whether a sample mean is either significantly greater than or less than a population mean. Example, testing if a new drug improves recovery time. Only testing and the new drug is better, not worse. In this case, the rejection region for the test is only one side distribution. Total test. A total test tests for the possibility of an effect in both directions. You use a total test when you are interested in directing whether a sample mean is either significantly greater than or less than the population mean. Example 1. Testing if the average weight of sample of apples is different from 200 grams could be either more or less than 200 grams. In this case, the rejection region is split between the two totals of the distribution, as you are considering extreme values in one direction. Key differences. One-tailed test tests for a specific direction of effect, less greater than or less than. Total test tests for any significant difference regardless of direction, different from the values either higher or lower. Thanks for watching.